Finding new meals to cook can be much easier when you have a collection of recipes right on your Android phone. Recipe apps can help you discover new dishes, organize your favorite meals, plan what to cook, and follow step-by-step instructions while preparing food. In this video, we'll explore some useful cooking and recipe apps that can make everyday meal preparation more convenient and enjoyable. Instant Pot Air Fryer Recipes. Instant Pot Air Fryer Recipes is an Android app focused on recipes that can be prepared using appliances such as Instant Pot and air fryers. It can be useful for users who want convenient meal ideas without spending too much time searching through different cooking websites. The recipes can cover different types of meals, snacks, side dishes, and other dishes depending on the app's available collection. The app can be especially helpful for people who regularly use an air fryer or multifunctional pressure cooker in their kitchen. Recipes can provide useful information such as ingredients, preparation steps, cooking instructions, and suggested cooking times, although the exact format can vary by recipe. Users should still add just cooking times when necessary because appliance models, food quantities, and ingredient sizes can affect the final result. For busy home cooks, the app can make it easier to discover practical recipes that take advantage of popular kitchen appliances. It can also provide inspiration for trying different dishes instead of using the same few air fryer or pressure cooker recipes repeatedly. For Android users who enjoy convenient appliance-based cooking, Instant Pot Air Fryer Recipes can be a useful source of everyday meal inspiration. iCook Meal Planner VE Recipes. iCook Meal Planner VE Recipes is an Android cooking application that combines recipe discovery with meal planning features. It can help users find meal ideas while also organizing what they want to prepare throughout the week. This approach can be useful for people who prefer planning their meals in advance, rather than deciding what to cook at the last minute. The meal planning functionality can make it easier to organize recipes around a daily or weekly schedule, while the recipe section can provide cooking inspiration for different occasions. Depending on the current version, users may also be able to save favorite recipes, manage their cooking plans, or organize meals according to their personal preferences. Having recipes and planning tools in one place can also make grocery preparation easier because users can review the ingredients needed for upcoming meals. iCook can be particularly useful for busy households, students, and home cooks who want a more organized approach to preparing meals. Planning ahead can reduce the need for last-minute food decisions and may also help users make better use of ingredients they already have. For Android users who want to combine recipe discovery with meal organization, iCook can be a convenient cooking companion. Smachno Recipes VE Cookbook. Smachno Recipes VE Cookbook is an Android app designed to provide users with a digital collection of recipes and cooking ideas. It can be useful for people who enjoy discovering new dishes and keeping their favorite recipes accessible on their smartphone. The cookbook-style approach can make it easier to browse different meal ideas without having to rely on physical recipe books. The recipes can provide ingredient lists and cooking instructions that guide users through the preparation process, with the exact selection and features depending on the current version of the app. A digital cookbook can also be convenient because users can keep their cooking references in one place and access them directly while preparing food. Depending on the available tools, users may also be able to save or organize recipes they particularly enjoy. Smachno can be appealing to home cooks who want additional inspiration for everyday meals and new dishes to try. Having a collection of recipes available on a phone can be especially convenient when shopping for ingredients or cooking in the kitchen. For Android users looking for a digital recipe collection with a cookbook-style experience, Smachno can be an interesting option to explore. Recipe Keeper. Recipe Keeper is a recipe organization app designed to help users collect, store, and manage their favorite recipes digitally. Instead of keeping recipes scattered across websites, notes, screenshots, or physical books, users can organize their cooking information in one place. This can be particularly useful for home cooks who have built up a large personal collection of recipes over the years. One of the app's main strengths is its focus on recipe management rather than simply providing a fixed selection of dishes. Users can add their own recipes and organize them so they can be found more easily when needed, while supported features can also make it convenient to keep cooking instructions and ingredient information together. Depending on the current version and platform features, users may have additional options for organizing recipes, meal planning, shopping lists, or sharing their collection. Recipe Keeper can be especially useful for people who want to turn their smartphone into a personal digital cookbook. It provides a practical way to preserve family recipes, favorite dishes, and recipes discovered online without having to search for them again every time they want to cook. For Android users who value recipe organization and want to build their own digital cookbook, Recipe Keeper is a strong option to consider. Soup Recipes, Soup Cooking. Soup Recipes, Soup Cooking is an Android cooking app focused specifically on recipes for preparing different types of soup. It can be useful for users who enjoy warm, comforting meals and want more variety than the usual homemade soup recipes. A specialized soup application can make it easier to discover combinations of vegetables, meat, seafood, legumes, and other ingredients for different styles of soup. The recipes can provide ingredients and step-by-step cooking instructions to help users prepare each dish, although the available recipe collection and presentation may vary by the current version. Users can explore different soup ideas depending on their preferred ingredients, cooking time, and desired style of meal. As with any recipe app, cooking times and ingredient quantities may need to be adjusted based on serving size, cookware, and personal taste. Soup Recipes, Soup Cooking can be a useful source of inspiration for beginners as well as experienced home cooks who want to experiment with new soup dishes. Having a dedicated collection makes it easier to find soup ideas when planning a simple lunch, dinner, or comforting meal for the family. For Android users who specifically enjoy cooking and exploring different kinds of soup, Soup Recipes, Soup Cooking can be a convenient recipe companion. Having a good recipe app can make cooking more organized while also giving you plenty of inspiration to try something different in the kitchen. Whether you're planning meals for the week, collecting personal recipes, or simply looking for a new dish to prepare, these apps can be helpful companions for everyday cooking. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and turn on notifications for more useful Android app recommendations.